Greetings to another video. Whoop, whoop. This is to celebrate, my friend made me this cake, celebrate 50,000 of us on Katie Kookaburra. I'm gonna have to put it down because it is so heavy. I don't know what on earth is in this. It's vegan, but it's heavy. Hang on. Oh. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and just say hello to all you new subscribers and hello also to my old schoolers who have been here from the very start. So I just wanted to come on and just say thank you really, just for supporting me and making like Katie Kookaburra channel just a really nice place for me as well. And I learn from a lot of you, so I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my Kookaburra heart for, I don't know, just being with me along this journey of YouTube, because it is now my job and you have made that possible. I don't want to get all like gushy, but it is true. I couldn't do it without you subscribing. So if you haven't subscribed, maybe subscribe, because it just helps me keep making videos that hopefully you will find interesting and informative. And yeah, I also want to talk about a comment that I got, because I get so many lovely comments all the time and I try and reply to so many of you because I want it to be a conversation. I don't want it to just be me putting a video out and then that's it. I actually want it to be a conversation. There was like, I get lots of lovely comments. This one particular comment, I actually like bawled my eyes out because I am a bit soft. I'm a little bit soft. So I do find things very sentimental and love it, but this one comment, and I can't find it now. It wasn't anyone's name. It basically said, congratulations on getting 50,000 subscribers. Next time, you know, you're having a hard day on the bike or something. Oh, it's making me teary thinking about it. It's like, just look over your shoulder. Oh God, why do I get upset? It's really embarrassing. Like, look over your shoulder and, oh, this is so lame. Look over your shoulder and you'll see 50,000. I was like, wait a minute, does that make me cry? I hate when people like, sorry, but it just really does mean a lot to me. Oh my God. I just thought that was a really nice thing to say, so I do appreciate it, and oh God, let me just have a minute. See, look how soppy I get about stuff, but it was just that one comment. Obviously I get lots of nice comments, but that particular one I just thought just encapsulated everything. Just so lovely. And when I'm having a tough day on a bike or when I am riding, it's just nice to think that you like, you know, you're all supporting me. This is getting into a really long, like dramatic video. It's not meant to be. It's meant to be a fun thing, but just know that I do really appreciate it. So let's go on to the fun part where I involve some of you, because I want to ride with some of you. Obviously we can't do big group rides at the minute, but my plan for this year it was group rides, but my actual plan for this year, which I wanted to announce in January, but I didn't because I couldn't, was I want to ride individually with some of you. I want you to, I'm going to put the email below, but email me at hello@iletmartins.cc. I couldn't remember it then. I want to come out and individually ride with you. At the minute, I can only do this in England, but in the future, I'll travel to wherever. But I want to come out and ride with you and hear your stories, because obviously on this channel, you've shared my story, but I want to share your story. So whether you've got, I don't know, whether you've overcome something, whether you have, I don't know, done a big challenge, whether you have changed your life through cycling. You don't have to have done something huge. You don't have to have done like, I don't know, IndyPac or something, or some huge long distance ride or something. It can be just something that's really big for you. I want to share all your amazing stories. So potentially how this is going to work, you'll email me. So I'll put all the details in the description. I want you to email me your name, like your rough location, like how old you are, and then just tell me a little bit about your story. Is it a particular climb that you would always try to get up and then you eventually did it? It can be anything about your story. And then I will come out and ride that loop with you. Maybe it's like your favourite loop that has, you know, meant a lot to you, that has made you fit, or maybe you had, I don't know, just anything that that you think that might be interesting to other people. But I know people get very humble and like, oh, my story's not interesting. It will be interesting. So just send me just some stuff about you, and I'm going to then travel to you. We'll ride together. You have to obviously be okay with being in my video. So yeah, that is my surprise. That is the announcement for 50k. I want to come out and ride with some of you. I don't know how many people I'll do it with. I think maybe 3 to start with, 3 individual different people, and then we'll just see how we get on. It might be that you're really close to me, which will make it easy and I can do more, or you might be really far away. I don't know, we'll see. But that's my announcement. I want to come out and ride with you and kind of, I say, like, give a little bit back and just thank you for following me and supporting me. And let's not get into that again, because I'm probably going to start crying again. So yeah, email link is below. And car went past and just looking like, what is she doing? Probably just saw the cake on the floor as well. Like, what is going on? Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. So yeah, I want you to email me though. Send me your stories. I want to come and chat to you. I want to ride with you. And yeah. Also, I should just add, yeah, it doesn't have to be this huge thing. It doesn't have to be this massive mega ride. I'm not expecting people to be like, you want you to come and ride 200k with me. Could do that if it was a really epic loop. It doesn't have to be anything big. It can be just something small that is help motivate you, or just some kind of, anyway, I'm going to stop babbling. I'll see you next video, but thank you so much. And yeah, here's to the next, like 50 odd, eh? See you on the road. It's a bloody drone. It's a bloody drone up there. I think this is too heavy to carry on a bike, you know. I don't think I'm going to be able to lift it. It's really heavy.